Hey guys, today I have a review of the Dayan 2x2. I unboxed this a few days ago, and I'm going to be comparing it to my old 2x2. This is a Shang Shao. Now, first thing I want to say is that my Shang Shao is actually still pretty good, and I'm still going to be using it like competition, for example, to stay warmed up. It's a bit of a, it's nice and gummy. Bit of a gummy puzzle. It doesn't corner cut as well, obviously, but it's still very good. Now, the Dayan 2x2 took a little bit of getting used to because of the crisp feel, and I'm used to a gummy cube. I like gummy cubes, but I got used to it because it was very, very fast, and it cuts corners very well. It's actually slightly less crisp than when I first got it because I tried to make it gummier by lubing it. Now, if you're going to lube this, you're going to obviously be taking it apart. Well, a word of warning, this puzzle is very difficult to take apart. I mentioned in my review that I was going to be looping it and tensioning it. I did manage to tension it, and that helped because out of the box, it wasn't quite as good. But I wasn't really able to get that much lube in it because the lube sort of got wiped off as I was trying to put it back together. It was really difficult to put back together. Well, anyways, overall, I'd say that this is a very good cube. Both of these are very good cubes, but obviously I'm not focusing on the Shang Shao. Now, let's look at some of the corner cutting. Here is a 45 degrees, and it cuts that, well, here we go, like right about 45 degrees. It takes a little bit of effort. This is about as much as it can go for a reverse corner cutting, which is very good. It means that it won't catch. Now, compared to my old cube, this is about as far as it can corner cut. I think maybe let's try. No, it can't go that far very well. And it barely reverse cuts at all. It catches very easily. But at the same time, it's got a very gummy feel, so it's still a nice cube. And this cube you can also make it crisp if you want. So let's do a comparison between the two. I'll do a couple of solves. All right. So that solve was pretty good. I wasn't even timing it, but you can see that the algorithms don't flow quite as smoothly as they could. It still does pretty well, and this cube, I'm not gonna say that it's gonna make your times any faster, but it just feels really nice. That's what I'll say about it. It feels really nice, so you can see that I'm solving it right now. So you can see the algorithms flow a lot better on this, so it feels really nice. But that doesn't mean that you can't use this one too. I wouldn't say that this is necessarily that much better than my Shang Shao, but it really just feels really good. That's I think the big thing about this puzzle is how good it feels. It feels a lot better than a Wit 2. I tried a Wit 2. I don't have one. I tried someone else's. It was just horribly scratchy. So I don't know if that was just because that person likes their cube way too crisp, but this one's a lot less crisp, and so I can actually use it. So yeah, overall, I'd say that I would recommend getting the Dayan 2x2. If you're just starting out on 2x2, I'd recommend getting something else like a Shang Shao. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.